give you guys a cold start. Yes, sir. I'm gonna crack that just a little bit. All right, guys, what's going on? It has been a minute, but look who is back. Yes, sir. Alright, guys. Man, that is this is really the first time. I did pick the bike up yesterday. My wife was with me. We was kind of in a hurry to get somewhere. So, I was in a lot of traffic in Tupelo, and then we ended up coming back home via the Trace. So this is the first chance that I've had to really get out on some 4-lane type roads to really get on the acceleration like that. And man, I am loving it. It definitely, it'll hit a spot right there, man, and it's got a ton of more acceleration. And man, I am loving it. And I hope the exhaust is not too loud. I did end up putting taking the stock headers off. I put some, I believe, from Fuel Moto, the jackpot headers on here, and opened it up a little bit. Of course, it is a little bit louder. And yeah, man, I don't know what point this will be in the video. We'll either tell you guys what cams I put in, or at this point in the video, maybe I've already told you. So I'm running over here by the shop. I'm I'm also trying to take it a little bit easy on this because I got some new meat on the ground. Put some new tires on here. And gotta get those broke in. What is this dude doing? Anyway, guys, I am absolutely loving it. Gonna head up, get some miles on today, so we'll see what the what the gas mileage is doing. Yeah, right there about 25 to 2700 RPMs, man. It just, you can feel it kick in. So I love it, man. Absolutely love it. All right, guys. Let me see. I think we're still on wide view.
All right.
This is Drew. He's the owner here at King City Choppers, and he did all my work here. Tell everybody how long you guys been in business, which I know I did a video here like with the meet and greet.
Yeah.
So y'all been here since January?
Yeah, we moved into this building in January, and then we kind of officially opened up about the end of February to the public, and you know, it's just been non-stop ever since. But it's been a hell of a ride, and we're just steady climbing the ladder, you know.
Yeah. Let everybody know what all do y'all do here?
All right, so right now we are a full service and repair shop. You know, anything you need, we preach services more than anything, because that is the most important thing you can do for these bikes. It keeps your bike on the road. We can catch problems ahead of time usually. That way you're not paying for big expensive repairs. You know, we catch problems before they compound into something way worse.
Right.
Eventually, you know, we're going to move into selling bikes, things like that. Once we start doing that, we'll be able to focus more on projects, you know, builds. Right now we're also doing kind of older restorations and things like that too. But our main bread and butter right now is service and repairs.
Service and repairs.
Yes, sir.
They do cam installs. Let's see, y'all doing tires now.
Tires.
So put me some tires on while it was in here.
Yeah, we're working real close with Fast Tunes as well. You know, that we trust them with all our dyno tunes when we do performance work. Like your bike, we put the whole S&S kit in, the Woods 222s, fuel moto headers, you know, the whole package, and got him off to Fast Tunes, and now it's a fun ass bike.
She's running good. And there you guys go. I was gonna tell you, went with the Woods 222 cams in, and man, I'm pleased with it. Like I said, they're about 2,700 RPMs, boy. It kicks in. It's a huge difference in what it was.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
So I'm gonna get out there and see what it'll do on the interstate today, and see what the gas mileage is like and all that good stuff.
Shit, yeah, open it up now.
Yeah. All right, man. Well, I'm gonna let you get back to work. I
right,
appreciate it. You guys check them out on Facebook, King City Choppers. Y'all may eventually have like a YouTube channel, right?
Yeah, we got that in the works. That'll probably start dropping more and more as we go into the winter and we start focusing on these bigger projects.
Yeah.
And then next year we'll be taking a lot of trips. We'll be documenting everything. So.
Yeah. All right, well, guys, if y'all are nearby, or even if you're not, bring your stuff here to King City Choppers. Get your service done. Get any work done that you need. Stop by and check them out. Keep an eye out for their Facebook page for any events that they have here. Come by and visit. You'll love it. All right, man.
Peace.
Appreciate it.
Yes, sir.
We're gonna run in here and see, is Justin here?
He's at party at the pen.
Oh, me. Well, y'all have to meet Justin later. So I'm gonna get on the road and let him get back to work. Catch you guys later. I'll give you guys a cold start. Major improvement. Major. Major. Hell yeah. Now, this thing was fun to ride before. It is gonna be tons of fun to ride now. Yes, sir. Hey.